This is a Mk8 Golf R.
And this is a Mk8 GTI Clubsport.
Today we're going to be racing to install both of these kits here because I am an idiot and this is a professional and I think I can install it quicker than he can.
And I'm going to be judging the quality of their work.
First up, the Golf R kit. This is a 4-piece kit consisting of splitter, diffuser, rear spoiler and side skirts, all designed specifically for the Golf R, and it's brand new.
So this is also a 4-part kit including front splitter, rear diffuser, rear spoiler and side skirts. But additionally, after this race, I've got the challenge of fitting the eye-back stance kit along with these BMX spacers.
Before the race is on, I want to explain why we are doing this. I want to demonstrate how easy the ZAERO kits are to install at home. I am by no means a professional. I have done a few installs in my past. You don't have to be a professional like Kai, who does this every day, to install this. With that being said, should we discuss some rules?
Yes, I think we should. I think the first rule, both cars start in the air.
Yep.
Make that fair for you because this one is already lowered.
Tools, rules around tools.
Tools, I think with tools, obviously we're going to need the exact same tools, same kit. I think as long as we start on separate parts of the kit, it should work out. Yep. We're not fighting for tools.
So we're not doubling up on tools.
I think other than that,
fair game.
Fair game.
No cutting corners.
No cutting corners.
We're just going to get checked at the end.
No cutting corners and no sabotaging.
No.
Yeah, I know what you're like.
Louise, who do you think's going to win in the race, Jack or Kai?
Definitely Kai.
Who's going to win in the race, Jack or Kai?
He's got to.
Who's going to win in the race, Jack or Kai?
I'm going to have to stay strong here. Let's go Jack.
Really? All right, brotherly love. Who's going to win in the race, Jack or Kai? Kai's got it.
Kai's got it.
All right. Ollie, who's going to win in the race, Jack or Kai?
I think Kai.
Okay. Who is going to win in the race, Jack or Kai? Jack. Ooh.
Right, both cars are on the ramp. We are ready to go. You ready?
Let's do it.
I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go.
Got a stopwatch loaded up on my phone, ready to start in 3, 2, 1 and go.
So Jack seems to have gone for the full elevation, full start, whereas Kai's gone for the lower. To me, that looks like Kai is going with the rear diffuser first. There is no messing about going on over here. The rear diffuser is coming straight off. Some lovely prep work going on from Jack at the moment. ZAERO diffuser coming on already. That's clipped straight in.
Jack hasn't got a chance. He's over there caressing his parts. Alright, I fit him.
It's alright, mate. I'm taking the time. If it ain't done properly, I'm going to get points knocked off.
Over here we've got Jack finishing up the front splitter by the looks of things, and it's looking pretty good, looking even from here, mate. Checking in with the time, we are coming up to the 10-minute mark, boys. So we have got the rear spoiler being prepped at the moment on Kai's end. So Jack, I want you to guess how long you've been going for so far.
15 minutes? 20 minutes?
Yeah, bang on, mate.
How long?
Bang on what you said. So Kai's got the GTI Clubsport splitter coming together really nicely, 2 sides on. Looks to me like the rear diffuser is being fitted up and it's almost there, isn't it, Jack?
Yeah.
So now Kai currently has the rear diffuser, 1 side skirt and the front splitter. I would like you to guess how long you've been going for quickly.
26 minutes.
Yep, that's bang on. Jack, what's going on, mate? You look confused.
No, I don't know what these are for.
Have you read the manual?
I'm reading the instructions, but I don't know if someone's tricked me and put the wrong instructions in there.
It has it on there, Jack.
Yeah, but what's it telling you to do with it? Kai's been hiding stuff.
What's he been hiding?
The bits, they've all gone.
So Jack has now decided to move on from the skirts to go to the spoiler because the skirts looked a little bit long-winded.
Yeah, well, I just want to make sure that I remove the OE skirt before installing, basically, because I've tried it on the other side and it doesn't quite fit on, so I'm pretty sure you do have to remove it, but we need to research before we do it.
But Jack, Kai is on the brink of finishing.
That's fine.
So here's an update on time. The Mk8 GTI looks to almost be finished, and the Mk8 R just has the front splitter and diffuser on at the moment. So Kai is officially winning the league at the moment.
Got a bit of free time on my hands, you know, so I'm finished already, so. Gonna make Jack a cup of tea, because he seems a bit stressed downstairs, so let's try and cheer him up a bit.
So you've done already?
Yeah, we're done. Yeah.
What, done to a good enough standard?
Yeah, I'm confident.
Yeah?
We'll have to see what Sam says, obviously. Remember, guys, Sam and Jack are brothers, so who knows, but I'm confident.
It's nice of you to make him a cup of tea as well, mate.
Yeah, he's got his lactose-free milk and that, so he ain't got a bad belly.
Yeah, nice.
We're gonna have to start cooking your lunch for you as well.
Yeah?
I have a feeling you might be here a while, mate.
Or dinner.
It's alright, it was stunning, wasn't it?
So Kai has officially finished the GTI in record timing of... No, I'm not going to say it out loud because I don't want Jack to know how long he's been. But Jack still has the side skirts. He's done the rear spoiler. He just has the side skirts left. So he's working on that now. I'll keep you guys updated with the time. But I think Kai might now, because he's got a bit of free time, either help Jack fit the side skirts or start working on the stance kit. But Kai has won. We'll see by how much. And the Golf R has just been completed with this time on the clock. But that was with a little bit of help from Kai, wasn't it, Jack?
Look, we'll get into it, but I'll concede defeat to the Batman.
So the kit is all done, as you can see. Jack's just making a few adjustments on his one. So while he does that, I'm going to get started on the stance kit before we get Sam down to quality check both kits.
What are these folks doing up here? Team Kai
Right,
and
wait.
upside down Team Jack.
Everything is now done, the kits are on the car, they look amazing. We're going to show you them in a second. Before that, we've got our judge. He's back to judge the quality of our work, because that's the most important thing.
I can't do this without the glasses on. One lens only is the way to go.
That's all you need.
Let's get started then. Overall fitment, who should we start with, by the way? Kai or Jack? Start with Kai. So as you see, we've got a lovely Mk8 GTI Clubsport. It's got the matching red lights with the red car, and actually it's also got the matching blue lights with the Mk8 R as well. So we'll get started then. Overall fitment. Now the category is consistent gaps all round, question mark. Right, so we've got the front splitter here. It's nicely put together. What we say, nice and aligned. Yeah, look, get a little angle on this, Nath. This is what you call good alignment right there. So good little score for that one. Again, side skirts look like they're nicely put in there. That's what you get with ZAERO though, isn't it? That's what you get. Boys, a little add-on. Yeah, no, that's looking nice. It's looking nice. That is brilliant. The fuser's looking actually nice and tight in there as well. All good. Ooh, little bit of overhang here. Kai. Yes. You was going very well, son. What's happened down here?
Well, Sam, as you know, you're a logistics manager, you would know ZAERO diffusers overhang, as we can see on Jack's one as well.
Not sure on that one. I think that's a little bit of a down score, because that's definitely nowhere near as much overhang as that. You was doing really well there. Give it an 8.5. So we'll start down here.
I think you find this is all perfect.
The split is looking all good. Sorry, I don't really remember asking you for your comments while I'm assessing. Now, do you want me to do the assessment properly or not? Exactly. Just because of that, you're getting a down score. So here as well, Nath, if you want to get a little bit close up, I can see a bit of a gap there. Could probably fit a bit of water through that.
That's exactly how it needs to be.
Is it?
It says it on the instructions.
Is it? Because I don't remember asking. This is my assessment, not yours.
I mean, if you're going to assess it, at least know how to actually fit it, you know?
Side skirt's looking all good, Jack. Well done. Now this is this. No, I'll be real, Kai. I'll be real. That's looking kind of flat there.
Yeah, give it a little tug though. Let's up and down, up and down. Oh.
I mean, we haven't even in that category yet, but we've gone straight over to it.
What's that about?
Jack, you're going to need a little bit of repair on that one, big man.
Oh, look at me, I didn't fit that.
Oh yeah, Kai's definitely gone after it.
You've removed the bolt, haven't you?
I have not done such a thing.
Right, okay. Overall, I give you an 8. I would have given you an 8.5, but you was rude earlier, so you're getting an 8. We're on straight onto the second category. I mean, while I have been going around at the fitment, I've been looking at the bolts and screws a little bit, so it's pretty obvious what Jack got on that one. We'll give him a 3. From everything that I've felt, it all feels quite nice, and just give everything a little bit of a tug. We love a good tug. It all seems pretty solid, much more solid than Jack's, so give
Check the rest of the actual
what did you want to do?
kit.
Sorry, mate.
Check the rest of my kit.
I've been looking. I've been looking.
The diffuser.
Check the rest of it.
Oh, we'll check the rest of it then.
Are you sure you want him to check the rest?
Jack, just go Australia now.
Fill
What's
the
the
rest
point?
of the kit. Touch the rest of the
Just
kit.
go, mate.
Touch
Just
the
go.
rest of the kit.
This is embarrassing. You know what as well? Pre-match thoughts, I thought Jack was going to win, but
Touch the rest of the kit. The whole kit is solid. Solid.
that's solid.
Someone's removed the screws.
That's
I can't
solid.
I can't take credit for that.
That's solid.
You could ski off the back of this now.
Overall, in all fairness, I was taking the piss a little bit. Can we swear? Yeah. I'll give you a. No, I'll give you a 5. I'll give Kai.
Oh, it's at least a 7.
It's not though,
Look,
because
it's 2
even
bolts.
if you'd done it on one side, then I'd be like, oh, it was a mistake.
You've put.
No.
I'm sick of you, Kai. Adding residue and stuff.
No, Jack, come on. Jack, come on, man.
What's there? There's
I've just pulled it out. I just pulled it out, look.
What? That's nothing.
Get a close up on that, Nath.
Right, that's it. I'm going round Kai, so I'm going to pick out what. Because this is a piss take.
Kai, you did have
3M's
residue.
not fully adhered round here.
Kai did have a
I can see a gap.
Jack,
there.
stop. The assessor's assessing. Structural integrity. I mean, that kind of goes, we've kind of already checked that, so I'm just going to put a 0-0 on that one. Rate the fitter's current fitness state. Right.
How many press-ups do you want me to do?
Yeah, you're looking all right.
Relax.
Bit chubby on the old cheek, but not too bad. I'll give him a 6. Kai, room to improve. I'm going to give Jack a 7 and Kai a 7 because you're both as beautiful as each other.
Oh, that's such a cop-out. Come on.
A little bit unrelated, but it just makes it a bit more fruity. Who can tell the best joke on the spot?
Would you call a fitter that takes longer than his boss to install a kit?
What?
Fired.
Oh!
So Jack wants to talk about speed, yeah? This car here, full ZAERO kit. This car here, full ZAERO kit. This car here also had a stance kit. Now I fit the ZAERO kit and the stance kit before Jack had finished the ZAERO kit. So I do not want to hear Jack talking about speed,
Listen,
all right? And on top of that, and on top of that, I helped you with certain bits as well.
Kai, why didn't you just comment on his jacket? That'd have been much better.
Well, because I don't want to violate him
What's
that
wrong
much.
with the jacket?
Well, what are we, farming? Like, what's...
Who are you to give advice on jackets?
I'm a science teacher, it's not me. All right, so the scores are in. It was quite a tight little battle, that, actually.
Well done.
I think overall you both performed quite well. It's obviously only ZAERO anyway, so I think most people could do it. Probably would have beat you both, but we'll do it anyway. So we obviously based on a few different categories here. I'm just going to get to it rather than keep messing around. Someone scored 34.5 and the other scored 35. So actually, it's actually mad close.
0.5.
That's actually all coincidence. I'm not even joking. And the winner is the Yellowstone man. Jack. Yes. I don't know. I don't know how it worked. No, it was your joke. I think your joke killed you a little bit. I don't actually know how it ended up like that.
Right, with all that being done, at least I'm not been embarrassed. I'm sorry, Kai. With all that being done, let's now have a look at the final results so you can see it yourself. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It was something a little bit different and a little bit tongue-in-cheek. Obviously, we wanted to get the kits on the car, make them look good. One thing to note with the Golf Rs, you do have to remove basically the entire stock side skirt, and it does take a lot longer than you would anticipate. So that's something that we went through today and learned today. So do keep that in mind. But otherwise, the kits fit amazingly well. And I can tell this is going to be a very popular option for people with Mk8 Golfs. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in next week's video. And please make sure you've subscribed if you haven't done so already for more videos like this.